Come on.
Hello.
Wait. Hurry up! It's a 60 and he's going like 12.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. Sadly, the last one with the TT. This TT, there will be more TT videos, but this will be the last one. A lot of you have seen on the forums probably, some of you might have already bought parts. There might be some parts left over so you can message me. But today we're going to be discussing...
Spreadsheet as well.
Spreadsheet in the description if there's anything left. But we're going to be discussing where we are with the car, why it's going and what's happening. So, we've got no script for this, we're just free flowing here, so enjoy.
Rapping.
A lot of you know we bought the car as a project car for the channel 3-4 years ago.
Yeah.
It's been some time, and we took some break off YouTube and didn't do much videos on it. In that time I managed to build it, do bits and bobs. The link for the video with all the mods and everything like that is in the description or in the top left right corner, whichever one Josh puts it in. But yeah, so today is a sad day. The next 2 to 3 days I'm breaking it and selling the parts. Most of it's already sold. I do have a few bits left over that we will be selling, and that's pretty much it for the journey. So a lot of you, well, the number one question I've been asked so far is why is it going and why am I breaking it? So I'll answer the first question, why am I breaking it? Purely because you can get a lot more money out of the car with the mods. If I was to sell this as a built car, it's not really worth that much. It's worth a lot more money if I can split it up into the pieces that people want to build their TTs and upgrade them and sell them on, which is what I'm doing. So I'm recycling this beautiful TT into your cars, and so that you guys can have all these nice bits and bobs that I've had, and you get to enjoy them on your cars. Why am I breaking it? I've just simply fallen out of love with the car. I've owned it for 4 years now. It's had everything done on it that I wanted to. I've fixed pretty much every single problem a TT could ever have. I've pretty much refurbished every single bolt on this car. The only one thing I haven't done is the heater matrix, but
we're not doing that.
I'm sure that will come up on one day. But
that's the next person's issue.
That's the next person's issue. But apart from that, everything else has been done on the car, and as we discussed in the previous video, there isn't much left for us to do. There is an engine rebuild that we wanted, there is a respray, but those are big things that aren't really that enjoyable for the channel. Well, potentially could be enjoyable, but they're just big projects that we don't really want to take on a car that's already completed. But it just simply, we've run out of content on the car, and personally I've just not been enjoying it. As in, I enjoy driving it, but it's just become more of a burden than an enjoyment. But yeah, moving on, the car just isn't as enjoyable as it was for me, and I enjoy building it and getting it to the stage we're currently at. However, I'm just not enjoying it being fully built. So, what are the plans for the future with the car? There isn't any, it's getting scrapped. We're going to be getting rid of every single part that's valuable on the car, selling it to you guys, keeping more TTs on the road, and giving you some upgrades to the channel. That's Cinderella, isn't it? Is that the one that... Oh, was that Snow White? Which one lost the slipper?
I don't know. Either or.
Yes. But yeah, so yeah, plenty of enjoyable times in the car. I think we've had fun changing bolts, dropping stuff into the engine, spilling oil everywhere, and every single time we've ever worked on this car, we've had enjoyment out of it, whether it's breaking something more or getting to upgrade something, or just figuring out and talking to you guys on the forum and discussing kind of issues and fixes to some of the common problems, and over time building up a kind of a bigger knowledge with the TT and understanding what's best and what isn't great. Oh, it's actually coming off. I didn't think it'd come off.
No, Matty. Oh, it's off.
I'm so glad I caught that on camera.
So there is actually one gentleman wanting to buy this, so lucky for you it's off. I didn't know whether I'd be able to get it off or not.
Look how much dirt is underneath it.
Oh,
that shit bursting and mouldy. Right.
You... Wait, let me just...
Might have to take that off.
Wait, let me...
I'll definitely take that off when you drive back.
No, that'd be sound.
That's flying off. Oh no.
No. Shh. Do it again. Bro, it's like a rainmaker.
So, that was funny. That's one of the parts that's already removed, ready for the buyer. So, wanted to cover a big thanks to you guys for watching the video. Right, he's pissing himself.
Sorry.
Massive thank you to all of you guys that did watch the videos when we first got the car. It was a massive motivational factor that a lot of you guys got involved, asked questions. I still get questions every day now with people asking for advice and tips on how I've done it. And by no means is this the correct way to do it, because in most cases I've fucked up and broke it in every single way possible. But with that, I do have quite a bit of experience in modifying this old bubble.
Knowledge.
But yeah, so thank you very much to everybody who's interacted, both me, Josh, with the channel. And yeah, it was just great to see the TT build on the channel, and continue to speak to you guys on the forums, Instagram, and all the other ways we keep in touch. So moving forward, obviously Josh has his Quattro Sport that we will be getting back on the road and building and enjoying. And I potentially will be picking up another project car to work on the channel. I'm not quite sure what it is yet. I really want another TT, however I feel like I've already completed it. So thanks for watching, guys. That was the TT and the build, and that sadly is the end. So I'll see you in the next video.
You gotta outro it the way that we outro it.
You can outro, I'm done.
No, you gotta say,
Peace
see.
out, my end.
Spoiler fella.
I think I got that.